I'm Dan Whalen. I'm a Principal Detection and Response Engineer at Expel. Expel is a 24/7 managed detection and response service for cloud, hybrid, and on-prem environments. We have a bring your own technology approach. So we have 40+ direct integrations that allow you to leverage your existing security investments, whether that's an endpoint technology like Microsoft Defender for endpoint, network technology, a SIEM tool, or a cloud platform. There are a couple key things that are really important to us at Expel. First and foremost is easy onboarding. Traditional managed services are very difficult to onboard. It can take months, a very painful process, and often never ends. That's the first problem we solved when we built Expel. We made that process quick and easy, and it can be accomplished in a matter of minutes with a few clicks. Secondly is transparency. Traditional managed services operate kind of like a black box. You don't get to see behind the curtain. You don't understand how decisions are being made about risks in your environment. And we solve that with our Expel Workbench, which is a transparent platform that allows you to see all the data we're collecting and play along with our analysts as we investigate and respond to threats in your environment. We have an integration for Microsoft Azure Sentinel, which gives us visibility into all kinds of disparate systems across your environment. Many organizations use Azure Sentinel as an aggregation point for other systems, disparate systems across their environment, and that visibility is really important. Our integration allows us to pull down alerts from Microsoft Sentinel. They're put in front of our analysts, and those security experts review those alerts and determine if something needs to be done in response to them. We pride ourselves in a thorough investigation, and one of the ways we can accomplish that with Sentinel is by leveraging the Sentinel APIs to query historical information to answer questions in relation to an alert. So for example, have we seen this alert before for this user or for this host? What else happened for this user or this host around the time of this alert? Those questions allow us to drive toward the answer behind the alert and tell you exactly what you need to do in response to it. Getting started with Expel for Azure Sentinel is incredibly easy because we connect directly to Microsoft APIs. We don't require a software agent or a physical appliance to get started. Within a matter of minutes, our team can walk you through the onboarding process for Sentinel, get it hooked up, and you'll immediately see alerts and information start flowing into our platform, and you can follow along as our analysts investigate and respond to Sentinel alerts. If you'd like to learn more about the Expel service, head on over to our website at expel.io to learn more about what we do, who we integrate with, how we do it, and more about our pricing. You can also find us on the Azure Marketplace.